Hello and welcome to this video. I feel very happy today. I'm starting a new journey, and in this journey I have a goal, and it is to change the way that we see and we use technology. Technology is in every place, in every moment, idea, plan or dream that we have, and the only thing that we need to do is to take advantage of the times that we are living now. This is a time of the new change, the time of a real and strong technology revolution. We need to face the challenges, unlock the new skills and knowledge. I have been working since 2005 on this technology world, and it's really awesome because I can see lots and lots of processes, people working, tools and platforms, and everything only with one objective: get the things done. However, during all these years, I see a problem, a very common problem, and it is that we offer the same kind of solutions every time. It doesn't matter the place, the company, the tool or the platform that we are talking about. And this is my why. It means that this is the reason why I started this little project of creating videos that help to change the way that we suggest solutions, build and create models, or suggest technology strategies. Well, at the end of the day, all it's about learning and be the best on the things that we perform. We need to unlock tools, discover technology and platforms that provide a way to generate the outgoing services that the business world needs. And then it will become the source of customers, co-workers, partners and people satisfaction. Well, having said that, let's start. Azurefileshare. What is it? It's a very common and useful solution about the storage on the intelligent cloud. And it is very important to mention because storage now is too cheap and has a lot of advantages. For example, the security. It is easily managed, does not need so much of effort to make it works. You will see that it's so easy. It's cross-platform. What it means that we can use the CMD or Bash or a user interface, whatever. It is harmonious because it can work with almost everything: on-premise tools, cloud tools, microservices, common tasks, advanced tasks. It could be a way to make a backup only to save pictures or important documents. You can use Azurefileshare in a lot of ways. The only you need to do is to imagine that. Today, we are going to create a file solution using this technology. We are going to create an Azurefileshare repository and mount it in a local machine as if it were a local drive. In this way, we can make files available all over the cloud. And what do we need to do this? We need an Azure subscription, and a storage account, and the file share. These are the three most important elements of this solution. Well, obviously, the machine, the local machine, that we are going to use to synchronize the files with the cloud. So, we can start now. Then, let me open the Azure Portal. Here we are. This is the Azure Portal. Here is where previously I created a resource group. I created a resource group with this name to group all the elements that we develop now and then delete it. The storage account is the base part of the storage solutions in the cloud. Here is where we can configure containers, file share, tables. Well, in this moment we're going to use this file share that I created previously, and the name is that test files. This is the folder where we are going to set all the files from the local machine to the cloud. If we go inside the file, the folder, we see that it's empty at this moment. Then we can go to PowerShell PowerShell will be the tool that we use to run the scripts, the necessary scripts to create the unit, to link with Azure, etc. Now let me open the script, and I have prepared this little script to run. This is to connect to the Azure subscription. It's script basic to that. Then run it, and we need to set the credentials. Now after the credentials, we get into the system, the subscription now. Now we have the values here, the resource group name and the storage account name that we get from the Azure Portal previously. With this script, we're going to validate that port 445 is open because it's necessary to this. Now that we run, we can see that it is true. The next step is to create and mount the storage. We need the Azurefileshare, the Azure storage account, and the resource group name. Now we can see that something important is that we need to run this as a common user. Remember that the Windows Explorer runs as a user, not runs as an administrator. Then reopen the PowerShell one more time, but now as a common user. Sorry, PowerShell, yeah. Okay, it's open now. Reopen the script. Let me open the script one more time. One moment, yeah. And now we can run the script. We see that we have the letter F as a parameter. What it means is that we are going to create a unit F on our local machine. Let me see. Now this is my PC, and you can see that it's empty. We only have letter Z. Now if we run it, we get the result that it's created the letter F as a unit of our local machine. Now to validate that it works, let me open a command prompt. Now let me see that the Azure file, now it's empty, you can see. We're going to use the command prompt to create a test file, a txt now. Let me put the letter F, test txt. Now run. The result is going to be a new text file created on our unit. So you can see that it's like you are working in a local unit in your machine, not on Azure. So run it, and we can validate now that we created a file on F, and it's now created on Azurefileshare automatically. This is the cool part of this thing. Another example could be a copy of a file. Remember that we work with a lot of systems that are on-prem or made in-house and need to move files from on-premise to the cloud, and we can use this solution and forget about all the agents that exist to move the files to the cloud solutions. So in that way, for example, Microsoft Dynamics Business Central of F&O could take the files on the cloud. So let me copy a file that we have in BC. Let me copy the root of this image. So the root is this one. Copy. Let me move to the command prompt. Copy letter to our unit, Azurefileshare unit, that it is on F. F dot img dot jpg input test, and then if we click on then copy. Now we can validate that the file is copied to our local machine, so network is not the correct path. Net here in the Azure path, we can see that the file exists now, and in the premise machine it's okay too. So this is the end of this exercise. Let me show you that it is in the local unit 2. It's okay, it's here now. Well, I hope that this helped you a lot with your solutions. Consider this kind of tools of technology. Do your best. See you the next time. Bye bye.